Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.6, Problem 16. This is Section 2.6, Problem 16. It says subtract the fractions, and we have 7 over 13 minus 7 over 13. So, the denominators are the same in both fractions in the question, so I can keep that same denominator in my answer, 13, and then subtract the numerators. 7 minus 7, again, that's 0. So the answer is 0 over 13, but that can be more simplified to just simply 0. Now I could see that the answer was going to be 0 because whatever the quantity is, you're subtracting exactly the same quantity again. So in that sense, I knew it was going to be 0. But if you follow the rules of subtracting fractions, you can follow the steps through and also get 0.